friends, welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, it's a Kipling unboxing. Yes, it was winter sale and I went on the website and I was in search of small leather goods from Kipling because, as you know, I've got few bags. I've got a creativity pouch, but I was missing really small goods. So I thought it was a nice idea during the sales to buy some. I bought the 3 items you can see, but finally only one was on sale and the 2 others were from the new collection. Let's start with the first one, which was really on sale. It was the Cash Buddy, which is a lovely zipped coin purse. I took the color Relaxed Grey. Yes, I do think you can see. I saw this color when it was launched and I fell in love. It's a really soft blue with a hint of gray. I love this color, honestly. So here is the little Cash Buddy. I was really into testing a coin purse in nylon. I have several nylon Longchamp pliage coin purse as well as leather from the Fulonnet range, but I was really tempted to test the Kipling nylon one. And I have to admit, I am in love with the zipper, and I do think that Kipling has one of the easiest zipper to open and close, seriously. So the Cash Buddy, I will write the dimension, open like this. Then you've got 2 main compartments there, so you can place your coins and your little notes and so on. And here on each side, as you can see, you've got a card slot. So that's great if I had to bring with me some fidelity cards, you know, for some stores and so. But I am really excited to use this little coin purse. And I have to say, it's very nice in the end. I love the size. It's not too big, but not too small, so you can fit a bunch of coins. Yes, I'm really excited. And so this one was on sale and it retails on sale at €17.43. And finally, I found the promo code and in fact, I got 15% more even on the new collection. So very interesting. So here is the first item and I do think it will be nice for spring, summer, such a color. The other items, so as I told you, are from the new collection. So I took a creativity, a mini creativity. It is written here and the color is inside yellow. And I fell in love because I love yellow color. And it was nice for me to bring to my collection some mini SLG in yellow. This, of course, all the items are, except for this one, but the Cash Buddy and the mini creativity, they are available in a bunch of color. And I choose this color because, as I just said, I love yellow. But I also love the fact that on the yellow one, this logo was also white. So it really pop the attention on the logo and it's quite lovely, this white with yellow. So the mini creativity pouch is like this. I will write the dimension. It comes with a tiny chain with a hook, which is nice because I will attach it to my bag. I can also transform the little pouch as a bag charm if I want to. The zipper is smaller and this is so cute. Look at this. This is a traditional one and this is the mini, so really adorable. And when you open it, what I love compared to the other creativity, this time you don't have the zip inside. And this is something I really wanted. I do think it's nice when it's a tiny item to not have too much zipper. So you have 2 main compartments, as you can see. Very, very generous, very spacious, I do think, for such a tiny item. And inside here in the middle, you have a little section where you can place tickets or yes, maybe coins also. So I really love it. I do think I will use it to maybe as a coin purse, but also, you know, for little medication or something else, but I will tell you. And so this one retails in France at €19.90, yes, €19.90. And finally, I got a discount, 15% left. So Very nice, especially when you know it's an item from the new collection. And the last one is the mini banana. Look how adorable it is. It's really looking like a banana, so all yellow. It's not the same yellow as you can see. This one got a more gray tone inside, and this one is a real yellow. So the logo this time is like this, but I do think on the banana it's better to have the same color. The corners are in dark brown, and here the zip is in black. It also came with a chain, so that's nice because I can attach it or I can make it as a, you know, a cute bark charm on one of my bags. Really nice. So, oh, I forgot to show it to you. I hope you can see. So to open, the zip is gray, and look how spacious it is. Seriously, I do think also for this one, maybe as a coin purse or, you know, to put some lipstick or medication, it will be great. But I fell in love. In fact, when I saw it on the website, I was so happy because a few times before I saw a review from a young lady, and she had from Kipling a very old collection. She has a watermelon pouch like this, and I do love it. Seriously, I thought it was so wonderful. So when I was on the website and I saw that this time they have released the banana, I have to have it. And also this one retails at 19.90 euro, and I got it with a discount of 15%. So really a great thing. I do advise you, if you love Kipling, to go to the outlet section and sometimes to go on the Kipling website, because they keep on making some promo code, some discount. And if you love really something, try to sometimes go on the website and look at it, because sooner or later you will have chance to grab it at a nice price. So I'm very happy to add the 3 SLG to my collection. I will keep you updated how I use them and if I love them, because yes, I have to admit, since many years now I am using a bunch of SLG, but most of the time they are all in leather. And I'm quite excited to see how it feels to use nylon for SLG. So I will keep updated. What can I do? What can I say more? Yes, I already also bought 2 Kipling bags, but here is the story. At the moment, on the French website, we got the information that the Kipling warehouse is moving. And so when you order something, they inform you that you will have your item end of February. And so I have ordered a bag that I will show you later, because for the moment I will not receive it. I will receive it, yes, end February, maybe begin March, so I will keep you updated. And I have ordered a second one because it's an old model, but this time I found it on Amazon. So yes, 2 bags are coming. And yes, I will do review about them, but I wanted to make this video concerning this one that I got very fastly. I love them. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. Thanks to all my subbies for your support, for your lovely messages. I love you, seriously, I love you, and I'm so happy of my community. Till the next video, take care, I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.